TechInFive.
Python in practice, master real-world projects in 5 minutes. Enhance your Discord bot with real-time audio. Join voice channels, interact with users. Let's dive in. Welcome to today's tutorial, where we dive into enhancing Discord bots with real-time audio capabilities. Learn how to make your bot join voice channels, play audio, and interact with users like never before, all using Python. Before diving into the audio functionalities of our Discord bot, it's important to ensure the bot has the necessary permissions. You'll need to grant your bot permission to connect and speak in voice channels. Go to your server settings, find the Roles section, and select or create a role for your bot. Ensure this role has the Connect and Speak permissions enabled under Voice Permissions. You can also override server permissions by adjusting the channel settings. For our Discord bot to join and interact in voice channels, install the PyNoCL library using pip for secure voice data handling. The Opus library is required for audio processing. The bot loads it on startup for voice operations. Ensure it's installed and properly referenced in your bot's code. Set the libopus path environment variable to the Opus library file's location, which varies by operating system. This enables the bot's voice functionality. In our Discord bot, the join command allows the bot to enter a voice channel. When user asks our bot to join, the bot first checks if it is already connected to a voice channel in the guild. If it is, the bot sends a message stating it's already in a channel and stops further execution. Next, the bot verifies if the user who issued the command is in a voice channel. If they are, the bot joins that user's channel. After successfully joining the voice channel, the bot confirms its action by sending a message to the text channel, indicating which voice channel it has joined. If the user is not in any voice channel, the bot sends an error message prompting the user to join a voice channel first. Now, let's explore how the bot can gracefully exit a voice channel using the leave command. First, the bot checks if it's currently connected to a voice channel within the guild. If the bot is in a voice channel, it disconnects. After disconnecting, the bot confirms by sending a message. I've left the voice channel. If the bot is not in a voice channel when the leave command is issued, it informs the user by replying, I'm not in any voice channel right now. This command lets the bot smoothly exit any voice channel and updates users on its status. Having seen how our bot can join and leave voice channels, let's now delve into how it handles chat messages and interacts audibly within a voice channel. This segment of our bot's functionality involves processing chat messages and responding not just in text, but also through spoken words in a voice channel. The bot processes the incoming chat message using the handle message method, as discussed in a previous video. It evaluates the message and generates a suitable textual response in the conversation with OpenAI or Mistral. If a response is generated, the bot sends this text back to the channel to continue the conversation. Concurrently, the bot checks if the user who sent the message is in a voice channel. If the user is in a voice channel, and the bot is also connected to a voice channel in the same guild, the bot moves forward to generate an audio response. This prevents the bot from attempting an audio response when not in the appropriate context. Utilizing the Create Speech File method from OpenAI service, which we've covered in another tutorial, the bot generates an MP3 file from the textual response. This method uses the specified echo voice to create the speech file. The MP3 file is then loaded as an audio source using FFmpeg PCM audio and played in the voice channel through the bot's voice client. The play method includes a callback that logs when the audio finishes playing, helping with debugging and monitoring the bot's audio activities. This comprehensive approach not only engages users with immediate text responses, but also enhances interaction by vocally communicating responses in real time, making the bot's functionality more dynamic and engaging. As we wrap up today's session, we've seen how our Discord bot can interact through both text and voice. In our next video, we'll showcase the entire functionality in action. Stay tuned to see our bot in full operation.
Stay tuned for more videos on TechInFive.